Let's check how to set up VS Code to program Java codes. Open Chrome browser. All these links are in description box. First you need to download VS Code. Click on the Windows button to download. Let's download Java Development Kit. Select Windows option. Click on the .exe file link of x64 installer. The last one is to download some necessary files. The downloading will start automatically. These are the files that we downloaded now. Full VS Code installation tutorial is on the I button. Full JDK installation tutorial is on the I button. Open the Java coding pack. Accept the agreement and click Next. If you correctly installed both VS Code and JDK, all set to go. Click Install. Tick the box and click Finish. Click Create Java Project. Select No Build Tools. Create or select a folder. Name the project you are going to create. This is the main project. The .java code file will be on the src folder. Click the .java file to start coding. This is a basic program to print hello world. Right-click on mouse and click Run Code to execute the codes. If you cannot see Run Code, then try installing this plugin. It printed hello world.